This is where we are. I have only this last portion left. The rest is completely cleaned to the bare metal, all three sides. So I'm gonna remove all this paint and then do the rest as I mentioned. Put the JB weld and flatten these surfaces here so I can mount the C-shapes. Took me 3 days to clean this up. Had to wait quite a lot in between to give time the city strip to act on a paint. And see here how it actually etched the surface, and it's matte now, it's not shiny anymore. It seems some whatever chemicals are in that city strip, it's actually attacking the cast iron.